Hey guys, I just want to preface this video by saying excuse my voice because I do have a bit of a stuffy nose and my voice sounds a little funny, so pardon me. Today's video is going to be really short. I'm just making some eggs and pancakes for my kids. They do love this breakfast and we have it one day a week on Sundays, and when we can't make it, we usually go out. Today I'm going to make some vegan pancakes, and for that I'm using oat flour, 1 cup of that. That's the only measuring you're going to see because we do not like to measure. And I'm also adding some coconut sugar. We do like it on the sweeter side. We do like our pancakes on the sweeter side, so judge me not. Adding some salt, some ground cinnamon, some ground cardamon. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I say cardamon. I don't know. And adding some nutmeg. And last but not least, we are going to add our baking powder. And we're going to mix this concoction together very well. Make sure all the stuff is well blended. And then we're going to set that aside while we work on our wet concoction. And for that, we are going to use some almond milk and some unsweetened applesauce and some vanilla extract. And we're going to mix all that together very well. For this recipe, I got it from Adrian's channel, All Things Adrian. I will put the details to that recipe in the description box for you guys so that you can make it the right way. But I've made it so many times, I know how to eyeball it so that it comes out right. But I will make sure you have it. I won't do you like that, in case you want to try it. So we're gonna mix all that together. Now I will say also for this batter, if you're gonna use it right away, you can make your consistency how you like it for your pancakes. But if you're going to let it sit for a minute, you might want to make it a little bit on the thinner side because this gets thickened very quickly. So you want to give it enough room in case you have to let it sit. You don't have to be fighting with it to make your pancake. So I'm just gonna mix that and let it sit for a bit while I prepare my situation to make my pancakes. And here we are, all done. I just added some butter to this and then I poured my batter in there, and as you can see, my pancakes are perfect. Perfectly good looking, round, very uniform type of pancakes. That's how I do. And so moving on to making our scrambled eggs. Now, my kids do not like plain eggs. My youngest more so than my oldest. When we do go out, he doesn't even touch the eggs because it does not have all the those veggies in there. So I do have to dice onions, green peppers and red peppers, because that is the only way he will not have a problem with this particular scrambled eggs. So I do that. And then I once I'm done with the eggs, I'm gonna go ahead and make the lemonade for my oldest, and then I am going to set up their plates. And here we are with my youngest. He only drinks water, so that's his plate with his strawberries. He loves strawberries and eggs and 2 pancakes because he eats more than my oldest. And this is some fresh squeezed lemonade with some apples and eggs and 1 pancake because he eats less. And that is them just enjoying their food. I do love cooking for my kids because they eat their food most of the time, except for the occasional, mommy, I don't want this, it's not tasty. And I don't like that they don't like grits. I have a problem with that. But other than that, yeah, they do great with food. Let me know in the comment section if you guys do try it and how you like it. And I hope you enjoy. Bye.